guys, we're back to another adventure of Hilda's here. So yeah, this is me around 6:35 a.m. guys. I'm sure you guys were sleeping. I was already awake on my way to go meet my tour group. Yeah, my tour group, the K hikers in Abuja. Guys, literally, K Hikers is the biggest tour group in Africa, no caption. And I actually missed the bus that was supposed to take me from my house to this master point, and I had to use both. I was angry. But yeah, I am here. This is my friend Eva, a vibe girl. So I was just very excited. And this is K. K is the founder of K Hikers Club Africa. So I was just here connecting to one or two people. I met this group of guys. We're just gisting and I vlogged them. And yeah, it was not that long. We started our journey straight to Ushava again, guys. I know I've been going to Ushava, yeah, because Ushava actually has so many things, and I just kept going to Ushava. This is me and my three friends on our way to Ushava, guys. Literally, the road was actually very smooth, as you all know. No hold up in Abuja, so everything was smooth. This is my friend, yo. Like, guys, I was just literally very excited about this trip. You know why? It was not stressful. I didn't even stress myself. I just got to the master point. I entered the car and I started moving. And finally, but guys, it started raining at one point. Seriously, I was not happy. At that point, I even had to remove my wig and so many things just happened. But yeah, I was still excited. This is Idara. Idara likes vibes, and it was not that far, and yeah, we're already on the road, and we got to Ushafa by 10:15 a.m. guys. And when we got here, this was actually the road to the waterfall that we're supposed to tour, or we are touring, but there was serious hold up on the road. But finally, I was just showing you guys how Ushafa looks like. This is Abuja, guys. This is Abuja. Are you seeing how Abuja is? Okay, it's not all rosy here, but yeah, this is another part of Abuja known as Ushafa. Ushafa. And guys, here, this is it, guys. We got here and we started walking straight to where our point was. At a point, I had to even stop by to help the students do something. It was so fun. I had serious whispering here, guys. And yeah, this is all of us heading to the waterfall, guys. When we got here, it started raining. Oh, not really like raining, but it was drizzling. As you can see, everyone was sleepy, but we're all very, very careful till we got to where the waterfall is. So from this particular point, this is the entrance to where the waterfall was about like 15 minutes walk to the place. There are lots of mountains and all. But yeah, we got there and it was really cool. People really had fun. So guys, just enjoy this beautiful vlog I made for you. Okay, yeah, guys, see me. My wig was actually right here, but I didn't want to pull my wig because I was shy. But yeah, at a point I pulled it. Oh, don't mind me. But yeah, guys, just enjoy this beautiful vlog. As usual, I made a lovely sound so it could carry you guys till the point where I drop another voice over. Yay! You guys have fun. guys, it was a wonderful experience at this waterfall. So this is me and few of my team people, and we're heading out of the waterfall. Though some people were still down there, and there were many routes of how to go back to where we parked our cars. And here, this is it. So thank you guys for watching this lovely video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, comment, and like. And see ya all in my next video. Bye.